How are you all? I hope you're all well. Happy Friday from Australia. I hope you had an excellent May. Bring on June. We are ready to rock and roll. Now, coming to you live from Melbourne, Australia. I'm so excited. So many of our coaching clients in Legacy Coaching had incredible months. I got so many messages yesterday where they had personal breakthroughs, personal best months ever, equal best months ever, best months since Black Friday, just message after message after message. For me personally, I completed my dual certification masters in coaching, masters in to be a master of NLP practitioner, and our company as a whole year to date is 48% up on last year. It's incredible the amount of momentum and growth and acceleration that we're experiencing. It's huge. And so with that being said, June is all around continuing to do the things that you need to do to build your business. And so I'm on a huge mission to impact over 100,000 women and their families because, I could go on and on and on about why I want to do this, but my vision is huge, right? And so I've made a commitment that every single month, at least once, I'm going to be running 5-day challenges to help as many of you in here to move. June is around solidifying the things that you should be doing, because July is typically a very big month. And so if you just continue doing the things, and especially if you've had a big month or a good month in May, you continue doing the things that had helped you to achieve the results. Don't make the mistake of taking the foot off the pedal. Laser in and just consolidate on your results and just keep going. Don't lose momentum. Now, if you didn't have the month that you wanted in May, here's a great opportunity for you to regroup, just get back to basics. And then that way, all you're doing is just doing the things that you need to do to build your business. Don't sit in a pity party for too long, because if you sit in that energy, you won't do anything. Part of owning a business is you need to experience the dips as well as the wins. It's never going to be one straight line to the top. That's highly unrealistic. And especially when you're starting off, it's going to feel like the boulder up the hill for a very long time. It's going to feel that way in the building phase. So June is all about consolidating and also getting back to basics. And so next week, I'm going to be running a consistency challenge in the group, completely free for you guys. The idea of this challenge is to help every single one of you to get good and consistent on the very things that you should be doing. And I really want to point out on the things that you should be doing, because I do see a lot of people doing things that they shouldn't be doing. And so the key thing is that when you're in the early stages, building phase, like if you haven't been achieving the success that you want, or you're feeling stuck, you need to master the basics. You need to get good at the things that generate income to help you to start getting paid. There's no point in looking at Canva and graphics and, all of these fancy things out there unless you are mastering the basics. Okay, for me, I'm all about keeping my focus lasered and costs lean. Until I started getting paid on a very regular basis, I didn't expand my expenses. And I certainly, in terms of coaching is different, by the way, but I'm talking about anything else other than investing in a blueprint. I literally lasered in on the things I needed to do, right? So I'm going to be teaching you guys, the things that you need to be focused on, and 2, doing it consistently over time, and the reasons behind consistency. Consistency is the key, guys. Like, seriously, if you can understand that you need to do it consistently over time, you will have a business. But if you do it every now and again, and when I say that, that doesn't mean you do 2 things every now and again and you're thinking that's consistent. No, consistently in all things, all the time. That's consistency. And people just don't really understand that. I'm really honing in on the things that you need to do to build a business, to get paid like a business, and how to treat your business like a business. Okay. So my rebrand, the Consistency Queen, has come about because this is my superpower. Consistency is my superpower. So I'm going to be teaching you guys firstly, how I got there, what I do to remain consistent, and why I'm so passionate about doing the things that I'm doing. Okay, so I look forward to sharing that with you. Now, stay tuned, because in a couple of hours, just about 2 hours and 15 minutes, I'll be bringing in one of my coaching clients, Walia Desmond. She's going to be sharing her story with you about where she was 18 months ago, almost 2 years ago, when we first started coaching, and where she is right now. I'm going to be showcasing live more of my coaching clients, because not just because of my coaching, I want to inspire you guys to see the possibilities of how you can change your life in a very short period of time. It really does take making a decision, getting really clear on what it is that you want to achieve, and just prioritizing your business. That's what it really comes down to. So I really want to hone in on that, so you guys get a good understanding of what it takes to build a business. It's going to totally change your life, because your business can. Okay, so I look forward to having Walia there. And no, guys, June is also birthday month for my Legacy Excellence program. And so we're going to be having birthday offers. And we also got a brand new offer. Now, this offer is going to be game changing in the marketplace, but I'm really passionate about women sharing their stories and knowing how to share their stories and understanding what to say. So stay tuned. If that's going to be, that's a very big hint on the thing that I'm going to be launching. But it's a small intake to begin with, and I'm only doing this twice a year. So if you want to have a big Black Friday, October and Black Friday, this is a great opportunity for you to work with me one-on-one as well. And my calendar is pretty much booked out, but to help you to get your messaging clear, your marketing, your marketing plan sorted, and an up level in your branding. So that way you can crush the back end of this year. And I'm going to teach you how to do that in a very, very special and tailored program. So guys, an exciting month in June. I'm super excited for you guys, and I'll see you in a couple of hours time with Walia. Take care.
The Consistency Queen, brought to you by the Queenie Effect and the Tech Company. For coaching options, please visit elsamorgan.com.